days we have discussed about the celestial bodies, constellations, pole stars, planets, sun and earth. Now today we will be discussing about the moon, asteroids, meteoroids, galaxies and universe. So are you ready? Let's start. Our earth has only one natural satellite, that is moon. In Sanskrit it is called Sol. It revolves around the earth while rotating on its own axis. What is a satellite? A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planet moves around the sun. Are you getting me? The moon is about 1/4 the size of the earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon shines due to the reflected lights of the sun. It takes 27 days, 7 hours and 43 minutes to complete one revolution around the earth. Only once in the month we can see the full moon. It is called Purnima. A fortnight later we cannot see the moon. It is completely invisible. That night is called Amavasya. The surface of moon is not plain. It has mountains, plains and depressions. Depression means craters. And because of these we can see the dark spots on the moon. Observe the full moon on July 5th if there is no rain. Okay. So the moon does not have the favorable condition to support life on it. Now moving towards the other heavenly bodies in the solar system, that is asteroids. Asteroids are a rocky celestial body that revolves around the sun. They are also known as minor planets. Most of the asteroids lie in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The largest asteroid is Ceres. According to the scientists, asteroids are the part of the planet which exploded many years back. Okay. Now let's move towards what is meteoroids. Meteoroids is a small piece of rock which move around the sun. These are called as meteoroids. A meteoroid is a solid piece of debris from asteroids that revolve around the sun. Sometimes the meteoroids come near the earth. Once the meteoroid enters in the earth's atmosphere, it starts burning. Most of the meteors burn away completely due to friction. But when a meteor survives, it falls and collides with the earth's surface, and it is known as the meteoroids. Meteoroids create a hollow or crater on the area they fall. Lonar Lake in Maharashtra formed due to meteoroid collision. Let's discuss about galaxy. Do you see a whitish broad band like white glowing path across the sky on the clear night? It is a cluster of millions of stars. The band is Milky Way galaxy. The image you can see in geography book, page number 6. Our solar system is a part of these galaxies. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gas galaxies. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. Okay. It is difficult to imagine that how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe. Now I will tell you some interesting facts that I would let you know. Number one is Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus have rings around them. These are the belts of small debris. These rings may be seen from the Earth with the help of a powerful telescope. Now see next, humans have always been fascinated gazing at the night sky. Those who studied the celestial bodies and their movements are called astronomers. You know what is meant by astronomer? Yes. Aryabhatta was the famous astronomer of ancient India. He said that the moon and the planet shine due to reflected sunlight. Today astronomers all over the world exploring the universe. ISRO, have you heard the word? Yes. ISRO is our Indian Space Research Organization, where scientists try to explore more about space. Have you heard the word NASA? NASA is also an American space research organization. Now see the next. A human-made satellite. It is an artificial body. It is designed by the scientists to gather information about the universe for the communication. It is carried by the rocket in the planes in the orbit around the Earth. I will tell you some Indian satellites in space. They are INSAT, IRS, EduSat, etc. Aryabhatta was the first Indian artificial satellite launched in 1975. These man-made satellites are being used in various fields like television, telecommunication, disaster management, defense, etc. Yuri Gagarin from the Soviet Union was the first man to go into space and the first man to complete the orbit of the Earth. And Neil Armstrong was the first man. Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. He landed his tape on the moon on 21st July 1969. So I hope that you have understood this lesson. Next time we will do some activity. Okay. So till that, stay home, stay safe. Bye.